Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know, and we're here for the next episode of my Hoard, where I'm going to show you every single water decal that I have in my collection at this time, and it's a bunch. I'm going to put it in speed mode so I can just get through them, and we're going to talk because it's a lot. Let's check them out. Now, you're going to want to pay close attention because we're moving through these very quickly, only about 1 second per sheet. Let me know if you see anything in here that you recognize from any of my previous nail sets and if any of them are your favorite of my nail sets. And also, keep an eye out for anything you haven't seen before. Chances are there's going to be some in here because there are a lot. We're starting with the smallest of my decal collection and the oldest, but it is gonna move through the ages, and there are some bigger and better and more well-known brand of water decals in here. The websites for the branded decals will be linked in the description, so definitely do check them out. I can tell you, if you're in the UK, Nail Sugar UK is an excellent brand of water decals. I definitely do recommend. They do ship overseas though, so if you're in the US, you can get them as well. If you're in the US, then Enchanted Goth Decals is my favorite. I don't know if they ship overseas though, but you could definitely see. And then here at the end, you're going to see some 77 Nails decals that I recently acquired. I do like them. I do find them a bit more difficult to work with, but once you get a little bit used to it, it does get easier. So I'm not displeased with them. And they are the brand where you're going to get your character decals that are like actually like movie related. I got a bunch of horror ones, which you'll see. So for that reason, I do like that brand and I do intend to keep using it. If you do see any decals in here that you would like to see me do a nail set with, leave it in the comments. Let me know. You can either use a timestamp or describe it, you know, whatever, to let me know, because I would love to see which ones you like and what kind of nails I could come up with. I've got some really cool water decals and I just never have enough time and enough hands to do all of the nails that I would love to do. But you know, if I could make some custom request nail sets, I would not be opposed. Have you watched any of my other Hoard videos, or is this one your first one? And do you enjoy this type of video? It's very fast-paced, it's very visual. I know if you're the type of person who likes to listen and not look so much, you're not really gonna see anything because this is all about looking, but I do the voiceover here so that if you do want to just listen, you do have that option. I personally am not a fan of the type of videos where it's just music because I like to listen and music isn't what does it for me. So even without the looking, I like to hear the rambling, so I hope that you do too and that you don't mind my rambling, because ultimately I'm not talking about anything right now. I'm just talking. So far we've done Hoard videos on my charms and on nail stickers and transfer foils, and now we're doing the water decals. What categories would you like to see? I know I want to do it on the stamping plates, but I have nearly 1,000 stamping plates, and so I feel like I should probably break that down into multiple videos. I'm not sure, because I think it would be so long if I did it in one. But let me know, what do you think? Would you rather one long video where I show you all my stamping plates, or would you rather multiple smaller videos where I just show you a portion of them at a time and break it into parts? And if we did do parts, how many parts do you think I should break that many plates across? And besides that, what categories? Let me know. What kind of nail items would you want to see? Do you want to see my full collection of like nail tips, or like what do you think you would be interested in seeing my vast collection? I do have over 1,200 bottles of nail polish, and I don't think it would be reasonable for me to like go through and show you each one of those. I think that would be a bit bananas. But in the description, there is a link to my spreadsheet where I do have a full catalog of the nail polishes that I have. So at any time, if you're curious, you can absolutely look at the list. If you haven't watched my intro video yet for the 10K giveaway, it did post a couple weekends ago. Definitely roll back and give that a watch. That way you can get the rules and enter for those giveaway items if you would like. That live stream is coming up next weekend if you're watching this on time. And if you're wanting to get in it, you definitely want to get your entries in and make sure you plan ahead so that you can be there and actually redeem your prizes should you be a winner. I would love to see you there, even if you're just hanging out. Also, if you're not aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's called Megan Makes It. It's MAGANMAXIT. It'll be on the screen somewhere for you to see it. It's in the description as well if you want to go check that out. Over there, I do non-nail things. I do a lot of like fashion review. I've been doing little videos about like clothes I buy, shoes I buy. There's some food content. There's a little bit of like side hustle content, stuff like that. It's more diverse and more centered around my life as a whole, not just my nail obsession. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely you can go give that a subscribe. It is mostly short form content though, very little long form like this type of video. It's mostly reels, so it's super easy to consume. And then there's also the associated and matching social medias if you prefer, like TikTok or Instagram or whatnot. I do have all of that stuff. And then if you're not following me on Facebook and you use Facebook, definitely recommend, because that's where everything converges from SecretDevilYT and from Megan Makes It, so you don't have to go check them out individually. It is all on Facebook for your convenience. Also, if you've been with my channel for a while, you've probably noticed how the formatting of the videos have changed a little bit over the past couple of months. I'm just curious, what's your feedback on that? Do you like the way that I've changed it? So I've started adding a little bit of like a snippet at the beginning of videos where I can, and then the ending is less drawn out and talky and more just get it over with, because usually when you start doing an outro, people click off anyway, so what's the point of doing all that? Is that better? Do you think you like the formatting like that? I think I like it, but it's been a bit of an adjustment trying to shift my brain out of the mode of rambling at the end and doing the long drawn out goodbye and all that stuff. So, you know, let me know. Or if there's anything that you would like for me to do different, I would definitely be open to hearing about it. I love making my YouTube videos, and I like it when you enjoy them too. So if there is something that I could be doing better or different that you would prefer, I definitely want to hear about it. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to improve my production quality and my content, and you know, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm figuring this out. I only recently found a nail community to even be involved with. I was out here solo doloing it for a very long time, and there's a lot I still don't know, but I'm trying to get it together. I don't know if I'll ever get my lighting situation figured out, and maybe it's just that there's not much I can do with the space that I have, but it is my dream to one day have a nail room. And if I can ever actually start earning some money from YouTube, that would also be a dream come true, and also lead into possibly one day being afford to live somewhere that has enough space to have a nail room. That would be amazing. By the way, if you find yourself watching the video this far in and you have not had a chance to hit the subscribe button, please do. Join me, join my channel, come hang out. That way you're not missing any of the fun content I do make. I like to have a good time, and I hope you have a good time here too. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. It does actually make a really huge difference engagement is what drives the algorithm. And while it's easy to watch and enjoy a video, if you engage with it as well, that does help YouTube push it out to more people, which helps with growth. And I always appreciate that. So thank you. Wow, we're about 2/3 of the way through the video and we're still working on these small decals, which we're getting closer to the end of them. I do at least recognize that progression. We're getting closer to where we're going to shift into the bigger and more cool ones, though there are some really great ones in these little ones. I use these floral assortments a lot. They make such elegant and delicate nail designs, just like on a nude. I love them for that. Though, of course, I do love the bigger, full cover, more extravagant nails as well. If you have not done water decals before, I do have content on that. There is a video dedicated on it on my Back to Basics, what do you call it? Playlist. Yes, Back to Basics playlist. There is a tutorial focused specifically on water decals, but there's also a ton of other content. And if you have questions, definitely feel free to hit me up. I do love to do water decals and I'm always happy to create more content if needed. And then also I like to do them during live streams. I do try to do a live stream every weekend. However, I've not been so successful with that recently just because my schedule has been incredibly busy. I have multiple jobs, to be honest with you. I've got a full-time job and then I've got a couple of part-time jobs. It's kind of expensive to be alive these days, and so a lot of my time is consumed with working, which has caused me to take a pretty big hit in the time I have available for social media and content and all that stuff, and I feel pretty unbalanced about it. Okay, yeah, we're starting to shift here. I really want to be able to be more involved. I want to be able to interact more, and I feel like I've not been able to contribute my fair share of engagement. I do watch all of the lip smacking videos that are posted in the group that that I'm aware of. I always make sure I at least get them watched, but beyond that, I've not been able to be involved in a whole lot. And I feel really bad about it. So if I've not been able to give your content the attention it deserves, I am sorry. I really am. I hate that my life is consumed with having to work all the time. Sometimes the only time I do, or the only thing I do other than work, is sleep, and I don't sleep that much. So I maintain the optimism that it will balance out eventually, that it will get easier eventually, and that maybe I won't have to work so much eventually, and then I can get back to giving YouTube and social media the time and attention that I would like to. But in the meantime, I'm here as much as I absolutely can be, and I hope that I am able to at least contribute in some meaningful way. These are the Nail Sugar UK decals that I mentioned earlier. Look at them. They're amazing. I encourage you to go check out the website. I haven't been on there in a while, actually, so there's probably all kinds of new stuff besides these awesome ones. And then these are the Enchanted Goth decals. Relatively new brand to come on the market, but she is generating new decals all the time, and they are incredible. The quality is so good, and you can pick the size from extra short to long, so you can get something that actually fits your preferred nail length. And then there are full cover as well as like the clip art style, so whichever you like, there's gonna be something for you. As you can see, quite a few of these sheets have missing pieces, and that's because I have absolutely been using them. They're so beautiful, and I have loved all of the nails that I have done with these water decals. She does have a bunch of new ones that I have not been able to purchase yet, but I have a pretty healthy wish list going. I'm the type who loves to put stuff in my cart, and then hopefully I can come back for it at some point. Here in a second, we are going to be jumping into the 77 decals, and you're going to see a lot of them are horror themed. And I'm really looking forward to this upcoming Halloween season, because during Halloween I love to go through, you know, the different horror series and do nails and whatnot. And I did a pretty cool selection of them last Halloween season with nail stamping. But this Halloween season, I am planning on utilizing the horror decals that I got. And I got them in like the super longest length. So I am going to have to put on some long nails. But look how incredible these decals are. Look at the quality. Like, these are stunning. They're gonna make some incredible Halloween nails, but they have lots of designs that are not Halloween, like if that's not your vibe. And again, this is the longest length, but they have shorter options as well. This is another brand where you can get a customizable length. You're just gonna need to practice your application, because these are very sturdy and they don't want to break apart easily. But hey, don't forget to let me know which decals you want me to do a nail set with. And thank you so much for being here and supporting me. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.